User-defined fields. Asset user-defined fields. You can add additional information about your asset. For an example, if you want to add asset color to the system, you can create color additional file using text field. To access this function, click Company. Change company settings. User-defined fields. Asset. There are 4 types of fields. Text. You can enter an alphanumeric description of up to 50 characters. Numeric. You can enter numbers. Date. You can enter dates. Yes. No. This is a checkbox, which you can check or uncheck. You can add 12 additional fields for each asset. 3 text values. 3 numeric values. 3 yes, no values. 3 date values. Once you have set the user-defined fields, you can add extra information when editing your asset.